How much food is wasted because of date labels? Do you want to save money on groceries? If so, you may need to pay less attention to the dates printed on packaged foods. A new Canadian study shows that many people throw away food because they trust date labels too much. The research was done by Dalhousie University's Agri-Food Analytics Lab earlier this year and was commissioned by Too Good To Go, an app that sells surplus food at a discount. A company spokesperson explained the findings. On average, a Canadian household throws away $761 worth of food each year because the date has passed. Out of that amount, $246 is wasted because people misunderstand the best before date. The release of this study is part of a larger campaign to raise awareness about food waste in Canada, especially the waste caused by confusion over date labels. The results show that many Canadians do not understand what these dates really mean. According to the survey, 1 out of 5 people thinks the best before date is the same as an expiration date. This shows that more education is needed. So, what exactly is a best before date? It is not an expiration date. A best before date simply tells consumers that the food will taste the freshest and have the best quality before that date. It does not mean the food becomes unsafe right after. About 25% of food waste in Canadian homes comes from confusion about this date. The problem is even bigger among younger Canadians. 40% of Generation Z do not know what the best before date means. More than half regularly throw away food just because it is past the date, even if it is still perfectly good to eat. Because so much food is being wasted, Too Good To Go launched the Look, Smell, Taste campaign last year. The idea is simple. Instead of relying only on the date label, people should look at the food, smell it, and taste it to decide if it is still good. Some brands, such as Pa's Bakery, Terry's Chocolate, and Dr. Oetker, now include the Look, Smell, Taste label to help consumers make better decisions. But should best before dates be removed entirely? According to the spokesperson, a study done 2 years ago found that 60% of Canadians do not want companies to remove date labels. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency also says that foods with a shelf life longer than 90 days are not required to have a best before date.